Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We got something a little bit different going on today. So Jeff, being Jeff, has decided that he's going to turn a small yard project into a big yard project. It's Saturday morning, beautiful weather. He asked us to come over and cook breakfast for him while he works. So he's down there playing in the woods. We're going to put together something good for him to eat, see what he does to, you know, destroy more of his yard. So
Crazy Jeff Day.
Yeah, Crazy Jeff Day. Stick around, it should be fun.
All right, guys, so Jeff wanted breakfast. Jeff's gonna get breakfast on the griddle. Hope he likes Pop-Tarts.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Snoop Dogg!
But Nate and I also have our breakfast because, you know,
cheers.
we got some Bloody Marys. Cheers to you.
Yeah.
We're gonna go serve these to him right now, and then we're gonna cook some real food. Stick around.
We have a goal today. We're gonna make Jeff a sandwich, a breakfast sandwich so big that it buries him. Like by the time he's done eating this,
He's not gonna want to work anymore.
he's gonna be in a food coma. He's gonna be in a food coma. So this, folks, this is going on one sandwich. We got the extra large English muffin. We got a slab of bologna. We got eggs. We got potatoes, corned beef hash, hot peppers, some ribeye steaks, some cheese, some bacon, all of it going on one sandwich. After this, I'm thinking he's gonna sleep for like 10 hours.
Wait, maybe he's got some sausage in the freezer because we forgot sausage.
Oh, we did forget sausage.
We gotta grab some sausage. We'll go
Let's
check his freezer.
Yeah, all right. Stick around. So we have a guest here to watch Jeff screw up his yard.
Yeah.
I mean, work in his yard. Chris is gonna get us started on the ingredients that take the longest. What do you got going down?
Corned beef hash to start with. And Nate actually poked a hole through the bottom. Supposed to make it come out easier. It's a little tip and trick. We're gonna find out if it actually works.
No, it works. I mean, when you're trying to shake this stuff out, you do a little punch with a knife. See that? See that? Makes it a lot easier.
Sucks the vacuum.
That's probably just a sign that he ate way too much corned beef hash. Right?
So, absolutely. The longest, start with the longest stuff that cooks first. And put the potatoes down as well. We're gonna do the bacon next, but we're gonna get this going right now.
Yeah, so I use that and just cut the bacon in like, I mean, these in thirds. Yeah, just stab right through them.
I'm gonna pan to Jeff, see what he's over there, what he's doing.
He's in the shade. I don't know if you guys can see him. He's abusing a trailer behind his four-wheeler. Been about 10 minutes. We've had this just sitting, picking up color. I'm gonna drop in some chopped green chilies. Not gonna use the whole can. Just something to kick up the flavor of the potatoes a little bit. And the corned beef hash.
All right, bacon time.
Sorry for the background noise. It's Jeff. Just
You
Jeff
can hear
screwing
us.
up his backyard.
So normally, you know, I love to cut bacon in half, but these are small ones. Nate saved like $1.50 by getting these. I'm just gonna let them stay full.
I mean, you lost money. It's only 12 ounces.
Oh, you did have some sausage.
Yeah. Wow, that's the homemade stuff.
Oh, yeah.
That's gonna be in an upcoming video. I'm just cooking a few for you guys to try. All right, so bacon's close to done. As it gets done, I'm pulling it off and just stacking it on the hash and the potatoes. Because next up, we got ribeye steaks. It's gonna be one heck of a sandwich, I tell you. It's gonna be delicious. These are the thin cut, but for the sandwich, we kind of need that.
Sorry for the noise in the background,
Yeah,
guys.
sorry for Jeff making a racket,
We hope you can hear us.
destroying his yard.
I'll tell you what, that bacon, the smaller bacon cooks really good. It stays nice and flat.
Yeah, it does. Well, it's the center cut. So maybe that has something to do with it. I don't know.
Just so you guys know, I still didn't buy the bacon. Nate did because I'm on bacon strike.
Because of the price of
Because
bacon.
it's so expensive.
Kenny was already swearing about the price of it earlier in the video.
Oh, was he?
So yeah, I go, Kenny, your mic's on.
Yeah.
So okay.
We put a little AP rub on the steaks.
Yeah, I'm
Little
gonna crank this up to high.
Yeah.
To sear those off and
Take about a minute aside.
take about a minute aside. Exactly. Jeff finally took a break, so there's not all that background noise. Next up is the ribeye steak. Very easy. Put a bit of oil down, like Chris said. It's taking 60 seconds aside on these. Got this burner on high. Just gonna drop them all right on there. Little AP rub on each of them.
I don't know, if I was Jeff right now, I might say, hey, thanks guys for coming out, cooking me this amazing breakfast.
I don't have a mic. Well, shout then. Shout your appreciation.
That's awesome. I thought you guys were gonna make a sandwich or something.
Yeah, it is gonna be a sandwich.
It's gonna be a sandwich. They know that. You don't know that yet.
Nice.
Jeff, how's your rock wall coming along?
Awesome.
Yeah, happy with it?
I could care less about the rock wall. I just get to drive the team. That's all that really matters.
All right, so Jeff started his toy back up again, so apologize for the background noise. Chris is gonna get, what are we doing, Chris? English
Good
now?
day for me. I get to use the stick of butter Jeff has.
The block of butter.
Stick. Call it a stick.
And what do we got left after this? Just
I got eggs.
eggs. Oh no, we got bologna too.
Oh, let's throw that on for
Yeah.
sure.
Catch.
Forgot about the bologna. You guys got to see this piece of bologna.
It's a nice little slab.
I hope Jeff is hungry.
Nice little slab of breakfast meat. Put that on the low side. Put it on the low side. There you go. Perfect.
Thanks, Dan. You need to tell me that. All right, I'm gonna do the eggs now too. Might as well get them going. We just do some over easy eggs. What are we thinking? Like 4 eggs?
I would do at least 4. Catch.
Yeah. Go ahead. I'll catch it. My one-handed skills are not that good, but doing the best we can here. I have had 2 Bloody Marys. Oh, as I look away, I lose one.
All right, well now you gotta do 5.
I will do one more. There we go. All right, add a little seasoning to the eggs. Whoa! And we're almost ready to assemble. As soon as these are done, we'll build.
Coming down the wire.
I'm expecting this high.
Final assembly. Let's build this bad boy. Starting with English. Going with a steak. Next up, bologna.
Bologna. Look at that. Nice.
Toss that on there. A couple layers of bacon. Beautiful. Some hash.
Cast some shadows. Oh, look at that.
An egg. Did we miss anything?
No potatoes yet, but let's hold off on that.
Let's do a bottom layer. Is that a bottom one? Yeah, it's a bottom. You got it.
Wait, up or down?
Up.
You guys need me right now?
No, we're still building. We're building more
Wait,
than you're
relax,
building.
buddy. We're going as fast as we can. All right, so we'll start over again.
Can we do another steak?
Another
Let's throw another
steak. Why
steak
not?
on there.
Maybe we should have bought 2 pieces of that bologna.
You probably should have.
Are you gonna keep this? Whoa,
right,
there we go.
We're good.
Bacon. Oh, hash. Go ahead. Go with the hash.
No, do the bacon first. I'll throw the hash on top of that.
I apologize, guys. I may have had my mic right up against the engine.
That's all right.
And an egg.
An egg and then some hash brown.
Uh,
Ken, you getting hungry over there too?
All right, it's like the Leaning Tower of Pisa. It's gonna go to the right. Grab a top.
Can you grab some Cholula sauce out of his fridge? Cholula.
Go grab it.
Dude, we're gonna go over. We're gonna go over.
Actually,
Oh wait, I think I got it. Oh, beautiful.
this is beautiful.
It's a good thing Jeff buys the small bottles of Cholula.
So what am I supposed to do with that?
Eat it.
This is your breakfast, brother. Hard working, you know, playing with your machine, ruining your yard. All right, we're ready for the topper,
Just
right?
get out of the shadow here.
Look at that masterpiece. I'm not sure what we're gonna do with it, guys.
You're gonna eat it, pal. We didn't come over here and cook for you for nothing.
We're gonna need that mini excavator just to lift it up.
Yeah, squish it down, Nate. There you go. Hey, me and Nate have the pleasure of doing a 1, 2, 3, done. Look at this thing. It's a ting of beauty, Danny.
Oh
It's a ting of beauty.
Thank God you worked up an appetite, Jeff.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Hey, buddy, you're gonna sit down for 2 minutes and chow this down, and we want a taste test.
So you got 2 steaks, bologna, 2 eggs, 2 servings of hash, 3 servings of bacon, home fried potatoes, Cholula, and I think that might sum it up.
We know who the real griddle guys are now.
I guess so. I guess so.
Bon appetit, Jeff. Bon appetit.
I guess I'll just be the eye candy from now on.
Yeah, there you go, buddy. You got it. You always have been.
So I had no idea about this. Figure if I'm doing a big bite, I might as well rock the Guy Fieri backwards glasses. And
It's not that big, Jeff. I think you're okay.
Yeah, I've seen you do that before.
Everyone that knows you got a big mouth. I mean, this is
I
perfect.
can't even grab this, guys. Where did you even find English muffins this big?
At the market. Holy cow.
Does this have 2 steaks on it?
Yes, it does. And you have to finish the whole thing. You can do it. You can do it.
I can't do it.
Do it.
Get in there.
Holy cow.
Yeah, he did it.
Did you get the whole thing?
Told you guys he had a big mouth.
Oh my.
He did. He got most of it. Yeah, he even got a little bit of the bottom layer.
I touched it.
A little bit better than the Pop Tart we were originally going to give you, Jeff. What do you think?
Well, this is like 3 meals, guys, and I'm wearing it, and it's delicious. Nice work.
All right, our work is done here. Let's get out of here.
Yep.
Let him get back
Ham in
to
here
work.
too?
Huh?
You have ham in here too?
Oh, yeah.
Bologna.
No,
We got a slab of bologna in there.
It's only a half-inch thing.
Half-inch slab of bologna. 2
Grab a
steaks.
knife and fork, guys. You got that?
All right.
Where's it?
We'll see you guys on the next video. Like, subscribe, enjoy.